It's knee height and high tower here.
Oh!
Okay, that was the water reaching the critical height.
You having fun?
Yes.
When I do my compilation video on the lessons for thatching, the rules of thatching, lesson number 1 is going to be when you think you have enough material, you don't. It's now the turn of the season. We've got snow on the high country and I haven't finished off a quarter of my roof and I've run out of rush to finish it. It's bloody cold for the Yetis! And I need a whole bunch more bundles, and this is the best rush that I've found so far. So, David, how deep was the water?
I'd say about knee high.
Yeah. Well, how deep did you find it, Matt, with the...
Well, that stick and then add probably 3 inches of squishing down.
Yeah, I don't think that's a bit too deep for the waders even.
Oh, the waders go up to your armpits, you'll be right.
Yeah, but if I fall over, I get stuck.
How's the wetsuit looking?
Oh! So this is how crazy people get when they get committed to a project. They just go nuts. And I've got this other YouTube channel called the Mad Scientist Prospecting, and it's not necessarily because I'm a mad scientist. It's just because I'm mad. So I'm not going to get my socks wet.
But it's such nice looking reed compared to the other stuff.
Oh yeah, compared to the other stuff, it's great.
And we got shallower in there, but it's nowhere near as nice.
But I'm going to get wet. I'm going to get good stuff. Right, and there's evidence that it is actually cold at the moment. Got my long johns on. Alright, this is going to suck. Oh.
What one man will do for his art.
Yes, art, that's it. That's what makes this rational.
That's about knee.
Well,
You guys can, David, can you bundle?
it's knee height and high tower here.
Oh!
Okay, that was the water reaching the critical height. So it's at Stuart's critical height there.
Oh, which is...
On the rest of us, it would be belly button height.
Yeah! Alright.
So it is somewhat deeper than what we thought it was.
Yeah,
with,
well, it was about as deep as I thought it was, which is why I didn't put the waders on. Now, this is why you're going to see me work fast now. This footage is not sped up.
And deeper he goes. Is there any yabbies in there, mate?
I don't know. It's bloody cold for the Yetis!
I'm certainly appreciating your efforts here, but I'm well and truly staying up on the bank holding the camera.
You're doing a vital role. You're documenting!
So when you're cutting, I notice you're cutting everything pretty much below water level.
Yeah, well, partly to get the legs, but partly because this will help clear it up a little bit.
As in you've got room to trim.
No, as in, by cutting it off below water level, it'll actually drown it.
Oh, okay, so regrowth next year,
It won't,
sort of thing?
in this area.
Oh, okay.
So I'm not going to do this to all of it, but this will mean that this bit of the water stays free.
Yep.
So if you wanted to keep it, you cut it above. If you want to get rid of it, you cut it below.
So clear as in this section of water just over here.
The bits
behind
that I'm cutting
David.
will drown.
Yep. Well, I can be saying because there's a clear section just over here, a bit of a channel around.
Okay, now you might have noticed I'm no longer squealing. That's because I'm going numb. This is incredibly good stuff. Like, it's so wide and broad and long.
Can't understand why no one's done this before.
Oh, up the bum. God, one of the bits I cut off in front.
Found it.
I wouldn't be thinking there'd be too many people around this area doing traditional
No, how many
thatching.
people do you know who is this man?
1 in 3 from what I'm looking at.
I think the sample size is a bit small. It's not quite representative. I think what we'll do is we'll just get it on the trailer and bundle it home at home. Because as soon as I get out of this water, I'm going to want to go home.
So probably not even a week ago, or maybe a bit more than a week ago, this water level would have been far less. And Stuart here wouldn't be swimming up to his nipples in freezing cold water.
Starting to get the nipple. Oh, David, you're going to have to come in and grab these because I can't throw them out as far.
Alright, we'll see how we go.
The crazy thing is we just get stuff.
I made no promises. I just said we'd see.
Oh my god.
That's a nice height. Not talking about the water on you, I'm talking about the height of the plants you're cutting.
Yeah, it's brilliant. This length is great stuff. Like, especially because I'm getting the top of the roof. I'll get 2 bundles out of this lot. Getting deeper. Okay, that's definitely armpit. David, if you start taking some of that up to the trailer, and I'll just do it in raft here and then push it closer.
Alright.
Once I've got a fair bit. Oh, I can feel the cold is just taking the energy right out of me. Oh, no, gotta finish up.
So I did say a moment ago,
What's that?
while I wasn't filming, that I think Stuart should take up, because the water level could be all the way up where this rock is, where it's been not that long ago.
Yeah, you're not funny. Oh, God. What stupid idea was this? Oh, you know what I didn't do?
You didn't float those ones over.
I didn't float those ones over.
Toss them up here. So Stuart's got to swim back in, wade back in again to get this bundle here.
It's deep quick.
And if it was summer, granted there probably wouldn't be any water in this in summer, but if there was, given where we are, you would have to be significantly careful of snakes. You do have a very good bundle of reeds. Your rush, I should say.
Okay.
You're right, you need a hand.
I'll let you know. It's just, you get used to the cold, but it's sapped all my energy. My legs aren't working properly. And I can feel my feet, but it's almost like I can't feel the bits in between. So yeah, home for a hot shower. Oh my word, that water was cold. Freezing. Thank you so much to Matt and Dave for coming along and keeping me company. It was really great having you guys along, because we had a ball. But also, if you're ever thinking about doing anything like this yourself, don't do it alone. Getting into cold water like that can be really dangerous. And I actually timed it well, because as I was getting out for the last time, I just started to cramp up. And if you were by yourself and you're a little bit further from shore when that started happening, could be really dangerous. So at least take some mates along so that they can laugh at you and tell people where your body is. Worst case scenario. If you are interested in what I'm doing with the rush, you can check out the playlist. You can see that I'm thatching my workshop roof with it. Almost finished the first quarter, and I'm hoping that this rush will be enough to finish it off. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I will catch you guys anon. Yeah, but geez, it was cold. And I kid you not, right? Kid you not. Water was so cold. I was so cold for being in it so long that when I got home to the house, I was in the shower for a good 5 minutes before I could pee because everything had shrunk so much.